Good start, perfect start for the team. Stellenbosch not easy. Good on the counter attack, sitting in zone 2. But I think the preparations have gone well. The team looks ready to go and get another 3 points in Cape Town. You just wish that the first 20 minutes become a measure of how this team will play. If we do that and increase maybe the number of minutes playing the way we played in the first 20-25 minutes, a lot of good things are going to come out of the team. Good performance, solid in defense and solid in attack, and take the chances that we create, and I'm sure the result will be good in Cape Town.